In this video, we show you how to perform a Gibson assembly. Gibson assembly is used to construct plasmids by joining DNA fragments with overlapping ends. First, we combine all the DNA fragments that we generated by PCR in the previously calculated ratios. Finally, we add the Hi-Fi DNA assembly master mix. The reaction is incubated for 50 degrees for 1 hour to allow the DNA fragments to join. Once the assembly is complete, we transform the Gibson Assembly product into competent E. coli top 10 cells. We add 5 microliters of the assembly product to the cells and incubate them on ice for 30 minutes. Then, we perform a heat shock by placing the cells in a 42-degree water bath for 1 minute, followed by a 2-minute incubation on ice. Next, we add 500 microliters of LB medium and incubate the cells at 37 degrees for 1 hour to allow recovery. After recovery, we place the cells on LB agar plates containing the appropriate selection marker. The colonies are grown overnight. The next day, we can perform a colony PCR to validate the Gibson assembly. This will be shown on the next video.